Hey you guys, thanks for coming back, or thanks for continuing to watch. I don't know where this clip is gonna show up in the video. Just got something in the mail here from Shopsmith. I've been wanting this for a while. I kept on procrastinating. I didn't really need it, but I wanted it because sometimes my handle gets stuck underneath the table on some of my projects, and this should eliminate that problem. Oh, that's really a strong piece, the way that went in. That's nice. And let me try one question I got. It's the same length. The handle is the same length as the original one. So I wondered about that because when I drop the table down sometimes in some of my projects, I use odd angles with the table. This part would hit the bottom of the table. So then I have to untwist it to drop it down and tighten it back in. If you've got the stock, you know what I'm talking about to move it. And now with this, I won't have that problem. I'll just pull it out, readjust it, and pop it back in. I really think this is one of their better ideas. And I didn't read the manual, but it does come with a little manual. I'm pretty sure this is how it goes on. Can't think of it being any different. Yeah, well, maybe I better. I was thinking it was going to go all the way in. No, it's not all the way out yet. Okay, so that's a long, yeah, okay. That was a Long Allen key, but this is where I expected it to go in. Okay, that's what I thought. I didn't have it backed out far enough. Cool. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. One thing I'm noticing here, the newer handle, taking this out a little bit, it's got an edge right here that I felt with my fingers. Looks like it was capped on. My old one is rounded. Oh, it's capped on too. I guess it's just that it's worn in. So I'm going to use my old one. Maybe. Is it the same thread? Should be. Come on, Shopsmith, don't tell me you changed your threading. No, okay, it fits. So we're just going to use the old knob. There we go. So this was a long short to show you what I got. And it does come with a nice little instruction piece. I'll put that in my in with my book. Two pages. Shows you how to install it. I think I did everything right. And you could put it on both sides, but I always just use it on this side. So there we go. I like that. that's really going to be handy. Many times I've wanted to take it, get rid of it, get it out of the way for different things to set it up. So we'll put the old handle on the other side. Oh no, I can't, that's right. The other side of mine, I don't know if you ever noticed, but I have it set up for the oscillating sander. And I just left the connection on there because it has to be at 11 o'clock. I didn't like to mess with it, so I just left it in that place, in that spot. All right, back to the camper. So I realized on the last video, you guys, that I didn't show. I wasn't showing what I was doing when I was putting this on. I apologize. But this is how it ended up. I reused my old handle because I had worn the edge down there and it's more comfortable. But yeah, this thing is really, really going to be handy just to be able to do that. Of course, one-handed here, it's kind of hard and staying out of the view of the camera. But yeah, I'm happy with this, and you'll see it in action another time. Thanks for watching.